Now let us quickly start with the solutions of exercise 4.2. I am sure you might have been able to do, but it is my duty to show you the solution of the problems once from my end. Very simple. I have written down all the questions on the board. The first question is classify the curve as open curve or closed curve. The first one, it is not closed. देखो ये कहीं से भी बंद नहीं है. So it is open. First one is open. We are doing exercise 4.2 of class 6 mathematics and I use NCERT book as you know. This is a closed figure because there is no opening. But here there is an opening, so it is open. This is a triangle type of a figure and it is closed. And this is a quadrilateral with 4 sides, so it is closed. So we have done the first question as easy as that. Draw a rough diagram to illustrate open curve. We can draw any open curve like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. So these are the examples of open curve. Now how can we draw closed curve? Closed curve can be like this, like this, like this. These are closed curves in which there is no opening. In which there is no opening. Draw any polygon and shade its interior. So we can draw any polygon. Polygon means a closed geometric shape which has 3 or more than 3 sides. Which has 3 or more than 3 sides. So I can take a triangle and shade its interior. I can make a square and shade its interior. I can take one pentagon and shade its interior. So you can make any polygon. A polygon will be a closed geometric figure in which either 3 or more than 3 sides will be there. Consider the given figure. Is it a curve? Is it closed? This is the figure which is given. So is it a curve? You may think that it is made up of straight lines, but since these straight lines are bent here, so we'll call it as curve. Yes, it is curve. So we'll say it is a curve. It is a curve. Is it closed? Yes, it is closed. It is closed. Next is illustrate if possible. It is not that whatever is said will be possible. It may not be possible also. Illustrate if possible each one of the following with rough diagram. A closed curve that is not a polygon. So it is not possible. A closed curve which is not a polygon is not possible. Now if you say that, sir, in a circle there is no straight line, then I would say a circle is made up of tiny line segments. There are many tiny line segments in a circle. So hence it is also a type of polygon itself. An open curve entirely made up of line segment. So this is to be an open curve. So open curve could be like this, made up of line segment, like this, like this, like this. So any one of the sides should be open. Okay, right? So you see, open from here, it is open from here, this is open from here, this is open from here, isn't it? So open curve means it will not be closed. There will be one side which will be remaining open, isn't it? So this is called as a curve made up of only line segment. A curve made up of line segment. Alright. Now why we are calling these straight lines as curve? Take the example of any wire. Say if I am taking this wire. Now if I stretch it, it is a line. Now if I make it like this becomes a curve. Now if I make it like this, means if I pull it like this and somebody pulls it up, so it will become a triangle even. So, this is basically a curve. Now this is open curve, this is a closed curve. Alright, this is more or less circular curve. Now if I keep it on table and then if I stretch it equally from all 4 sides, it will become a square kind of a thing. So we can make square, we can make triangle, we can make star, anything we can make. So these all are curves actually. Alright. Even if you take a circle, then if you cut all these wires into small pieces, these small pieces will be like line segment. So even if a circle, if you take, is actually a collection of line segments which are placed at a equal distance from the center. So if you place small line segments at equal distance from a center, what it will form? It will form a circle. Alright. So circle is a curve, square is a curve, triangle is a curve. These all are curves. Alright. A polygon with two sides, it is not possible. A polygon always needs to have a minimum 3 sides or more than 3 sides. So exercise 4.2 is done. No need of rushing to complete more than 2-3 lessons. One exercise in a day will keep the exam fear away. Don't worry at all. I will complete your portion on time very nicely in a very soothing manner. So even if you are not able to attend any class or if you have any health problem, do not stress. I will be helping you when you will come to the school even. Your syllabus may be too much for you. For me it is very less. In very less amount of time or very less number of days, I will be able to give you a good revision also. So don't worry at all. Okay. Your worry, send it to me. Send all your worries to me. I will keep it with me. You remain worry free. Enjoy your childhood. Enjoy your life with your parents. And do whatever you can do in your studies. We will be there for your help. Even after the school will open. Alright. Thank you.